Hi, welcome to another review. This is a review of ProfitsGram. Now, ProfitsGram is all about how you can actually make money using Instagram. Now, over the last 10 years plus, the world of social media has completely changed everything to do with how you can actually make money online. And this product takes advantage of that as well, and it takes advantage of Instagram in a massive way. Now, when I run through all of this, you'll actually see that there's some fantastic figures here. $750 a week in 2020 would be fantastic for someone to make just using social media. This is a guy called Dawson Trevor who has maximized this and is able to make money from Instagram. Now, if you are not au fait with social media, you need to join as many platforms as possible, especially Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn. These huge platforms have hundreds of millions of people upon them, and you can get access to these people because every single person carries their phone with them and has their phone with them 24 hours a day. Really, people are never less than a meter away from their phone, so social media can really take advantage of this. Now, what you may not know is that photographs on Instagram in particular, because it's all photograph based, have made people absolute stars and made them tons and tons and tons of money. There's people who have become millionaires because of Instagram. And what I'm going to show you here is some stories that are in the press. Now, Forbes said there's a photographer made 15 grand in one day on Instagram. That's quite an incredible figure to make for anybody, no matter how much money you've got, if you make that much money a day. Stolen Instagram photos sells for $90,000. That's absolutely incredible. Artist Richard Prince's latest exhibition is made up of hundreds of thousands of dollars, but the photographs are images he will receive nothing from because someone else used the photographs. Now, it's quite incredible that someone will be able to do, especially on one platform like Instagram. But this is something that you can also take advantage of with this as well, and you can make between $715, $1,500 a month, and you can easily be able to charge $495 or even $199 at 97. It would be a steal, and it wouldn't be worth selling at that much. As it says here, you can buy ProfitsGram today, and it's going to cost you just $77. Now, it's quite incredible that people would make this kind of money on Instagram. Now, great minds think alike. Less than 1% of Instagram users have tapped into this money-making secret. So you can get in there before everybody else. Instalove. Instagram is the only social network that gives you, the user, the chance to make money from your own content. Okay, you can point, shoot, and collect. These types of pictures you take don't matter. Just point, shoot, and collect your cash is what he's actually saying. Rise the scale. It's scalable, so imagine you can do it with 2, do it with 5 photographs daily. You can make money doing photographs on Instagram. You can waste countless hours a week trying to add followers and accounts, but you don't need to do that. You can spend valuable money and times to get people in to like your pictures. You don't have to do that. You don't have to even create a bad reputation. You don't even have to do that. Worry about your location, USA, Canada, France, Germany, UK, wherever it may be. You don't have to worry about that. You don't have to be concerned with your age or the lack of computer skills rather. Even people in the 60s are using it, which is really quite incredible. There's a money back guarantee, 100 days money back guarantee, step-by-step system, tips and tricks, real case studies, and insider secrets. So this product will show you how to make an absolute fortune with Instagram, and this could be very, very useful if you want a side income. If you want to know a lot more about Instagram, you can use ProfitsGram and make money with this product, which is fantastic.